This is audio test. Take 4, I think. Um, and we can do this. We're just not going to go over roughly 70, if I'm doing this right. Especially not to damage speaker. 70 is obsolete max. Like in terms of letting it go past that point. No. Anyway, this time around we have number one. My number one, my boy, Eminem. Shout out to him. Um, got one of his big songs here. No clue if this is gonna work again. Um, no clue if it's gonna work at all. Um, like I said in the last one, of course you wouldn't have seen that because the last ones were trash, so I got rid of them. So let's get this going. All right, "Sing for the Moment" by Eminem. Knock him out. Rock him back. Heck, rock him back. Rock him back. Yeah, sock him back. Your house is a broken home. No, emotions go. Come on.